Welcome to our assembly guide for the alternating air mattress pad. In this video, we will provide you with clear step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth and accurate setup. To get started, you'll need 3 essential components: the air pressure pad, the pump, and the inflation tube. Step 1. Begin by carefully unfolding the mattress pad entirely. Be sure that the mattress side with air cell is facing upward, with the inflation tube connection points positioned at the foot of the bed. If the mattress pad seems a bit long after unfolding, don't worry. Once it's inflated, it will adjust to the proper size. Any uninflated portion can be securely tucked beneath the mattress, and the mattress weight will help hold the pad in place to prevent any shifting. Step 2. Take the pump. You'll notice the airflow nozzles and the metal hooks at the bottom of the unit. Carefully unfold the metal hooks and hang the pump securely on the bed frame at the foot of the bed. Make sure it is stable. If your bed doesn't have a footboard or suitable mounting space, you can place the pump on a nearby table or the floor, as long as it's close to the air valves for easy connection. Next, connect the inflation tubes. Ensure a firm, secure attachment by connecting one end of each tube to the pump's inflating nozzles and the other end to the corresponding air valves on the mattress pad. While the tube may already be pre-connected, you can pull it apart for easier handling if needed. Double-check that both connections are snug and that the air hoses are not kinked, twisted, or tucked under the mattress. Now that the air pad is connected, you're ready to move on. Step 3. Plug the pump into the power outlet and turn it on. Turn the pressure knob to the firm setting initially to speed up inflation. The pressure settings range from 1, which is soft, to 5, which is firm. Starting with the firm setting allows the mattress to inflate more quickly and efficiently. As the pump begins, you'll notice that the air cells are inflating in an alternating pattern. This design allows one set of air cells to fill with air while the others deflate, creating a gentle, continuous cycle of support and relief. In about 10 to 15 minutes, the mattress will be fully inflated and ready for use. Finally, remember to turn off the pump and unplug it when it's not in use. We hope you enjoy the new Alcedo Alternating Pressure Mattress Pad.